Welcome back, garden enthusiasts and potato lovers. In today's video, we're exploring the benefits of using grow bags for growing russet potatoes and providing a step-by-step guide on how to plant and manage them. Let's get started. Grow bags are an excellent option for growing russet potatoes. Here are some benefits. First, temperature control. Grow bags keep the roots cool in hot weather and prevent overheating. Second, portability. They are lightweight and portable, allowing easy movement for sunlight and protection. And finally, improved drainage. The breathable fabric promotes better drainage and aeration, reducing root rot. Here's how to prepare your grow bag. First, choose the right size. Use a grow bag that is at least 10 gallons in size. Next, fill with soil. Use a well-draining, nutrient-rich soil mix. And finally, leave space for planting. Fill the bag halfway, leaving room to add more soil as the plants grow. Now it's time to plant your seed potatoes. First, arrange them with the eyes facing up, spacing them 6 to 8 inches apart. Then, add a few inches of soil over the potatoes, covering them completely. Managing moisture is key. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged, and water deeply. As the plants grow, add soil to the grow bag, covering the stems and leaving the top leaves exposed. This is known as hilling. Regularly check for pests and diseases. Growing russet potatoes in grow bags offers numerous benefits, from temperature control to portability. Follow these steps to plant and care for your potatoes, and enjoy a bountiful harvest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!